JD Camp 26 here, just doing shares and hobbies. And we're looking at Superman here. I found him on Amazon and at a pretty good price. I'm going to put the link in the description or comments, hopefully, of this guy. And he looks like Christopher Reeves, in my opinion. He's got a real cape. And I actually took a picture of his cape because I had it folded over like this, where I have it on display. And his hands and his arms articulate, and his hands. So let's see if we can get his arms all the way up in flying mode. Here he is in flying mode, if he was flying. Okay. And he stands up on his own. Okay. His knees articulate. Of course, he can't stand up on one foot. That'd be impossible. Okay. And his arms move like that. Down. And his body moves forward like that. And a little back. And his head does not, his head moves a little bit, not much. I don't think you should touch that part of the figure. Here's a side view of him. Hope I'm getting this. Look at his cape. Pretty well done, done nicely, you know. I'd be careful with the cape, though. It looks like it could come off easily. So I had him posed like this and like that on the shelf. Of course, trying to get him to stand up is another thing. I think he had him against the wall. If I lean him forward a little bit. He could spread his legs out like this too. There you go. So now he's standing up. I want to show you this figure. I was going to get the model to actually do the model itself, but I couldn't really find one I really liked, and the one that I did look at was quite expensive. So this one came in very well. Sculpt. I think the sculpt on it is really good. The detail on it is very good. And you can't beat the price. The price was only like 10, 11 bucks, 12 bucks. So, there's Superman. I think it's a really honor to Christopher Reeves. It's too bad what happened to him. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. And stay safe.